सो गाइस, आज हम वापस आ चुके हैं ब्रॉन्क्स और मेरे पीछे है द मॉल एट द बे। और जैसे कि आप मेरा अवतार देख सकते हैं, जैकेट पूरा हुडी के साथ, बिकॉज ठंड बहुत है। एंड लेट्स सी इनसाइड व्हाट डू वी गेट एज इट्स क्रिसमस, और देखते हैं क्या डिस्काउंट्स है अंदर। इट इज़ सो कोल्ड गाइस। इंडियन टेम्परेचर के हिसाब में बात करूँ तो एक डिग्री पे है टेम्परेचर, 1 इज़ जस्ट 1, एंड इन फ़ारेनहाइट्स इट्स 30 और 32। Yup, it's very cold and it's time to head inside so that I don't freeze myself. And now finally we are inside the mall. I don't know what is this about Cinnabon, but it's a place where people have sweet food, toys for kids, Auntie Anne's for ice cream, and the unfamous Starbucks. और हम इस मॉल के सेंटर में आ चुके हैं। मेरे सामने है एप्पल स्टोर, बहुत ही प्रीमियम सा, जिसकी हम वीडियो नहीं बना सकते वरना वो हमें किक आउट कर देंगे और हमें ये वीडियो यहीं स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा। एप्पल की वीडियो हम नहीं बना सकते। चलिए हम आप सभी के फेवरेट ब्रांड में जाते हैं, H&M। आप सभी के फेवरेट ब्रांड में आ चुके हैं H&M में। एंड ये तो लेडीज़ सेक्शन है, मेरी बहन इसे कवर कर लेगी। प्राइजेस देख लीजिए आप, है क्या कुछ अच्छा सस्ते में। Let's check out the price, guys. 74 USD. So much for Christmas deals. And so after visiting ladies section, it's time for our gents section, so that my lovely little boys can see what these guys have to offer once they come to US. Let's figure it out. And I'm not a fan of H&M, but people in India are, so this is where H&M gives you all the brands. Let's see what's the price for this thing. Let's start from winter wear, I mean hoodies, which are this side. Let's see. Oh, this is on 50%. Well, I have very high hopes from this. Let's see what's the price. No, there's no price. Why do you do this? Okay, let's check over here. Yep. So after 50%, it's $50.
Before 50%.
No, I think after. Before? Okay, then $25 is a good deal. $25, this is a good deal. If it is for $25. Here we have Stranger Things. देखो चाहिए?
हाँ मैं लूंगी।
So this is
इसका
on
कलर अच्छा आ रहा है
50%.
इसमें।
Ah, so sorry, only two piece left. That was one section, and now this is the other one. Looks nice. Let's see the price. And this is $50. Can't take that. They will. I'll go bankrupt if I start buying clothes from here. So this plain white shirt just has New York written over it. $45. Okay, all this are $30. Wait, what? पूरा ले इसको, पूरा ले. $75 for this. Seriously. So guys, nothing was in our budget, so and you saw the prices. Now it's time to head out. Let's see what this mall has to offer. And as soon as we come out, it is so beautiful. See this fancy chandelier, right? Chandelier, and in Hindi, Jhumar. Humor so broken, I'm dead. This looks so fantastic, guys. Just stand here and give it a look. It is so fantastic. The view completely. So let's see what they have to offer. Where should we go? Should we go in this Champs Sports or no? Should we? Should we? And as soon as we are out from H&M, so this was Champs. They have some nice shoes and clothes over here. This looks good. And now we are heading towards, what's that Korean brand? Yeah, this Uniqlo. What is this? Uniqlo. I think it is supposed to be a Korean brand. Look at this clothes. They have fantastic clothes. Yeah, but yeah, they have a nice winter wear. They have nice winter wear collection. And then after this, we've reached the end point of this mall, and now it's time to head up and see what do they have. So guys, now we are heading up. Let's see what do they have upstairs. What all brands. देखते हैं इन लोगों ने और क्या खजाना छुपा रखा है इस छोटी सी गुफा में. Oh, a chance to win a PS5. Fantastic prize. How to play? Okay, so what do I have to do? So they have the scissors, which is never going to work. If I cut this, I'll be able to win this. Yeah, but I'm not giving it a try. I already lost $10. Vending machines, which you'll probably never see in India. And we're up on the second floor, right? Yeah, second floor. There's that JC Penney for house appliances, clothes, everything. JC Penney. And let's go in the heaven of gamers, VR theme park. Let's see what do they have over there. And right across VR, there's a famous footwear. I'll make that video as well, as you guys love to see sneakers. But first, let's head inside this. Whew. Have you ever seen something this cool? Wow. So all this thing is like you wear a VR headset and start to game. You are completely isolated from your what do you say, reality. This is like $10 for each ride, which you can see this whole big machine. I want to give it a try. If my sister's in, let's give it a try. But unfortunately, I cannot show you guys. So guys, my sister is not gonna join me in this, but I'm going to sit in this ride and I'm going to play the horror forest. Let's see how it feels. And if you want, the camera is going to be on. I'm going to wear that headset and you guys can watch too. Excuse me, sir. Guys, I'm playing this. It's for $15 and I'm playing a horror forest game. Let's see what do these guys have to offer. And I'll sit in center of this machine because no one's there. This is the one. Okay. So guys, if you can see me, I'm going into the forest game. If let's catch my reactions for today. Let's see if I get afraid or not. Oh my god. Guys, this is one experience you need to take all the time. And it's a horror game. I love horror franchise. Wow, it looks so good. If I have enough money, I'll fix a machine like this in my house. Right now, I'm not afraid because there's nothing. Do I have a gun?
Oh, they are lies. It's a village. Great.
Oh, I'm running right now.
This seems so cool.
Ah, birds. Where's the witch or the ghost?
Everybody celebrated and decorated with lanterns. Later. Oh,
Ah,
forget
nice
it.
big door.
I must find some place to sleep. I will try this one.
Open it, just kick it. Oh, the witch is right in front of me.
Oh, my goodness!
Oh, you pushed me behind. Why?
Hurry!
Why did you do it?
Run ahead!
Run. Now you're not running. Okay, so I'm running from a witch. That didn't scare me. Oh, a big spider. Wow. Wow. I'm running, I'm jumping. Oh no, I'm sliding. Phew. Did it kill me? Yes, it did. Nice. But boring. I didn't get scared.